as it takes. Damon, it seems like it's taking them quite a while to survey all of this. I mean, just the destruction was unreal, and there were so many tornadoes that popped up during that system.
Yeah, exactly. And so you have those National Weather Service offices, few and far between, a few people out. They're trying to catch up with all these tornadoes and the damage, and that's why it's taking so long for them to figure out how strong this thing actually was at that time. So, yeah, a long time for them out that way.
Absolutely.
But this way, we're seeing the warmth on the other side of that system right now, and it's sticking around for us as we head toward the weekend. I hope you get a chance to get out and enjoy it. Yes, indeed. And I know I'm going to try to do the same here today. It's looking pretty beautiful out there at the moment. We have some clouds, but there's some blue sky, and of course, the wind is blowing a little bit as well. Temperatures at 56 degrees, and we have a southwest wind right now at about 6 miles an hour coming out of Hagerstown, and it's going to be a little bit breezy as we start to pull in even more of that warm air. And check this out, it's pretty unique when this happens. We get this warm air coming up out of the south, and on occasion it pulls right into the valleys in between the highest elevations of West Virginia, Western Maryland, and Northern Virginia. So Martinsburg, Kaiser, Cumberland, all in the low 60s. Petersburg has jumped all the way up to 69. And then we also have some locations but back to the east that are still a little bit cooler. Charlestown 56, Germantown 58. But by the time all is said and done, this could easily be some record-breaking warmth. And there's a look from 24 hours ago. It's about 10 to 15 degrees cooler in most locations. But there is nothing to worry about in terms of precipitation. We have just some clouds scattered about, but a lot of sunshine helping those temperatures to really ramp up across the entire four-state region. Looking at the wide picture, though, there's going to be some changes coming because the cold front back to the west associated with that storm system up into Canada, it's moving our direction. It's not exactly going to bring about any major changes going into Friday, but we could eventually see some rainfall overnight and then a little bit of a cool down later on into Friday, but the stronger storm system arrives on Friday night. So that warmth will linger about the rest of today, and we could have just a few spotty showers tonight, but the real rainfall isn't going to get here until Friday night with that next system that rolls its way in as we start out the weekend. So be prepared for that if you have any plans out and about on Friday night. And then finally, some cooler air will be getting back into the viewing area, but it will take until we get into your Sunday and beyond. So let's check this out. Time it out on Future Tracker. Lots of sunshine as you head out through the rest of your afternoon between 1 to 3, even 5 o'clock. We're all good to go. Now, as we progress past 5 o'clock, here comes that rainfall with that cold front, but look at how it dissipates. All that moisture is going to get wrung out as it moves into our neck of the woods tonight, so we'll be lucky to see a few spotty showers at best. We'll start out tomorrow in the morning time and early afternoon, fairly quiet. High clouds are going to start to roll in from the south. And here comes that next storm system and a warm front by 10 o'clock on your Friday. A good swath of showers is likely to make its way into the viewing area, and we'll be pretty soggy from there on out with scattered showers continuing as we head into the start of your Saturday and the weekend. So warm temperatures will continue to be in play all the way through, at least until the rain is done and a cold front arrives Saturday night. Sunday will be a bit cool and breezy, but the first half of the week, heading into the first day of winter, as a matter of fact, on Tuesday, looks to be a bit cooler, but nothing too drastic. Seasonal highs in the 40s, and at this rate, it doesn't look like we're going to have a white Christmas with no storm systems on the horizon next week.